Understanding graduate admissions, your gateway to advanced education. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important topic for anyone looking to further their education beyond the undergraduate level. Graduate admissions. This process can be both exciting and daunting, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Whether you're considering a master's, a PhD, or any other advanced degree, understanding graduate admissions is your first step towards achieving your academic goals. Graduate admissions refer to the process through which students apply and are considered for entry into graduate programs at universities and colleges. These programs include master's degrees, doctoral degrees, and various professional degrees. Unlike undergraduate admissions, graduate admissions are more specialized and competitive, focusing on specific fields of study. It's the gateway for students to advance their knowledge and skills in their chosen area of interest. 1. Application form, the first step where you provide your personal and academic information. 2. Transcripts, records of your undergraduate and, if applicable, postgraduate coursework. 3. Standardized test scores, such as the GRE or GMAT, depending on the program. 4. Letters of recommendation, written by individuals who can attest to your academic or professional abilities. 5. Statement of purpose, an essay where you articulate your academic interests, professional goals, and reasons for choosing the program. 6. Resume, CV, summarizes your educational background, work experience, and any other relevant activities. 7. Interviews. Some programs require interviews with prospective students to assess their suitability for the program. Understanding each component is crucial for a successful application. Tailor your application to highlight your strengths and alignment with the program's objectives. 1. Start early. Give yourself plenty of time to prepare, especially for tests and gathering documents. 2. Research. Understand the requirements and ethos of the program and institution to which you're applying. 3. Be genuine. In your statement of purpose, be honest and passionate about your goals and how the program fits into them. 4. Seek feedback. Have someone review your application materials, especially your statement of purpose and resume. 5. Prepare for interviews, if applicable. Practice your interview skills to confidently articulate your qualifications and motivations. Graduate admissions are your stepping stone to advanced studies and a promising career. With careful preparation and a deep understanding of the process, you can navigate this journey successfully. We hope this video has shed light on the graduate admissions process and made your path a little clearer. Remember, the effort you put into your graduate application can open the door to incredible opportunities. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out for more guidance on your educational journey.